So in this video, let's talk about how you're gonna back up your iPhone even without iCloud. Because as you know, iCloud might be the default option. So when you open up the settings and tap on your name at the top entirely, then you can head over to the iCloud section where the ability to turn off your iCloud backups is right there. So you can do that if you wish. But besides that, you also have the ability to just connect your iPhone to a computer, whether you have a Windows or a Mac. You're going to use either the Finder on a Mac or you have to download iTunes on a Windows computer. But when you pair your computer through a cable to your phone, then you can back up also to a physical hard drive of your PC. So it might be even useful to do that if you don't have enough iCloud storage or if you simply prefer local backup. But besides that, you can also perform some different kind of online backups, right? You don't have to stick with just iCloud. For instance, I like to have my photos backed up to Google Photos, which has nothing to do with iCloud, yet it still uses the cloud backup services, but only for photos. For instance, I don't really care about backing up my other things as much as I care about photos, so that's why I keep it this way, and iCloud backups are simply turned off for me. So there are plenty of options. You can, of course, upload stuff to the Dropbox or even Google Drive. It's all up to you, but just know that there are more options to pick from. That's going to be about it. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to figure out your desired way of backing up your phone and the data. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.